open the box. I'm opening this box of Cospet, which I got from Bangor. I bought this watch, and while using this watch, I'm not satisfied, and it hangs. The system hangs very frequently. Now I'm switching on this watch, and if I see, the battery just lasts for 2 to 3 hours, as against it is being mentioned in the website that the watch lasts for a day. But actually, on normal usage, even with normal usage, the watch lasts for only few hours, 3 to 4 hours, and I have to frequently carry the charger for it. Secondly, the corner of the screen where we are connecting to the net to see the internet connections, it happens that the internet connections after that in the browser, it hangs frequently, plus the messages which has been arriving, it stop updating, and one of the biggest problem is phone book. The phone book which I'm using can show only recent calls for 5. If I search a number, it's not searching properly. Suppose I connect to the net. It's already connected. Yeah. See, suppose I'm searching this. You see, there is only 4 numbers. Only it can hold 4 or 5 numbers. That's it. Okay, if I want to search a number, suppose I say, suppose I go to phone book, and if I want to search Prakash, it says Jais Prakash. Then if I search watchman, new, see, it's not searching properly. There is a software issue also. The biggest problem with this watch is the battery. The battery which is draining very fast, just 2 to 3 hours. So I have trust in Bangor. I have a lot of things which I bought from Bangor. So I trust Bangor that they will take back this watch and return my money as quick as possible. Kindly do the needful. I am from India. I am a doctor, so it's my kind request. This watch is not even holding the battery for just 3 hours also. Plus, all the soft inbuilt phone calls, messages app which is being inbuilt are not showing the message. The message app is not showing more than 4 message, and the phone books which has been updated, I have updated from my phone through vCard. It is also not holding it's not searching the contacts properly. Even I have updated in Google, it is not the account details, it's also not getting updated, and there is a lot of software issues also. It's a waste of money for holding this watch. So kindly replace this watch with a new one. I have not used this watch. I just hold it for 1 day, and I find a lot of faults in this watch. So kindly return and kindly replace the watch. Thank you.